Alright, welcome back to Maro's Tech YouTube channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to be taking you in how to set up UDP Thunder VPN application in all countries so that you can access a fully optimized and a fast internet access on all mobile networks in all countries. So don't forget to subscribe to this YouTube channel. Don't forget to share this video to your friend. I start up my tutorial. I'm going to go to Google Play Store and then I download the application. So this is how you're going to do it. Go to where we search from and then download the application called UDP Thunder VPN. And then this is a disclaimer that this tutorial is for educational and informational purposes only. We are not reliable to what the users of this application will access, and users are using this application at their own risk. Maro's Tech and the moderators plus administrators we keep ourselves, and we promise that these users of this application are using it at their own risk. So after downloading this application, open it, and this is how you're going to be doing your things. It will ask you, it will give you notes. Just press OK, and then this is how you're going to be setting this application. You're going to come right here, and then you're going to come right here where you have the update, and then check update. Those in Uganda, India, but basically in Uganda, this application won't work unless you have an activated Airtel SIM card. Make sure to contact me in the comment section. I'm going to be activating this your Airtel SIM card for free. But other countries, let us continue by pressing the connect button after updating this application. Other countries connect, it will connect, but those in Uganda, you need a line from home bundle or you need an activated SIM card. But I will be activating your SIM cards for free. Let us press the start button and we see the application. As you see, this is an advert. The application has connected successfully, as you see. So don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to share this video with your friend, don't forget to give us a like. I sign out. Thank you guys for following. I remain Maro's Tech. Okay, bye.